If you learn one of these skills in this video, you'll never be broke a day in your life. Because these are all things businesses need and not enough people know how to do them, I decided to do a video on this. Before we delve into it, my only request for you guys is to only choose one skill and stick to it. Because each skill requires time and focus. If you can just focus on one, then you can learn it easily. Number 1. Running ads. Running ads is a very important skill for everyone who runs a business. Whether it is Facebook ads or Google ads, learning how to run ads can significantly enhance your brand's visibility, drive sales, and ultimately boost revenue. The best part is that you don't have to work for a company you know would be known as your clients. You don't have to clock in like a typical 9 to 5. So running ads for someone typically involves creating, managing, and optimizing online advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. You're probably going to see an ad on this video or any other AD networks. Now, a big reason this is a great skill to learn in 2024 because that many, if your own company right now and you wanted to run some ads, who would you call now? Probably you will not hire a person who know how to run ads because it will take you lots of time and money. You can do it on your own easily. Also, you can sell these services on freelance platforms and make your first $10,000. Learning the skill of running ads is essential for anyone looking to grow in today's business environment. By harnessing the power of digital advertising, you can expand your reach, connect with your target audience, and drive good results that contribute to the growth and success of your business. At this time, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Number 2. Sales and marketing. In 2024, sales and marketing skills are essential for any business. With effective communication at its core, professionals adept in articulating clear messages and actively listening to customer needs gain a competitive edge. Negotiation prowess is equally vital, enabling individuals to secure favorable deals and maximize profits. Understanding the nuances of customer preferences through comprehensive market research and data analysis empowers businesses to tailor their strategies for optimum impact. In today's digital era, proficiency in digital marketing channels such as social media, SEO, and email marketing is indispensable for reaching wider audiences and driving engagement. Moreover, cultivating strong networking relationships opens avenues for collaboration and referrals, further expanding business opportunities. By fostering adaptability and creativity within their teams, companies can stay ahead of the curve, constantly innovating and evolving to meet evolving market demands. Embracing these skills and strategies not only ensures survival, but also propels businesses towards sustainable growth and success in 2024 and beyond. Number 3. Content creation. In today's world of social media and the internet, knowing how to create engaging content is super important. Content creators are like storytellers who make stuff like articles, videos, podcasts, and infographics that people love to watch or read online. They understand what people like and what they're interested in, so they can make content that gets lots of views and shares. They're always learning about new trends and what's popular, so their content stays fresh and interesting. By using their creativity and trying out different ideas, they keep their audience entertained and coming back for more. They also know how to use things like hashtags and keywords to make sure their content gets seen by lots of people. Being good at content creation isn't just about making cool stuff. It's also about building a community of people who love what you do. So, if you want to be successful online, mastering content creation skills is the way to go. Number 4. Web design. Learning web design skills can be a great way to make money in 2024. These skills involve creating websites that look good and work well. For your business, having a professional website is super important because it helps customers find you online and learn about what you offer. We can use web design skills to make our website look awesome and easy to use. Plus, you can sell this skill as a service to other businesses or people who need a website. You can offer to create or improve their websites for them. By showcasing your web design skills, like making beautiful layouts and easy navigation, you can attract clients who want a great-looking website too. In this way, you can make a lot of money. Web design skills not only benefit your own business by improving your online visibility, but also present an opportunity to monetize your expertise and help others establish a strong digital presence. Number 5. Video editing. In 2024, having video editing skills can be a great way to make money. Video editing involves taking raw video footage and turning it into polished, professional-looking videos. For businesses, using video is an effective way to connect with customers and promote products or services. By mastering video editing skills, people can create engaging content for their businesses, such as promotional videos, tutorials, or product demonstrations. Additionally, they can offer their video editing services to others who need help editing their videos on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. This could include individuals, businesses, or even content creators on platforms like YouTube or social media. media. By showcasing their editing abilities and delivering high-quality videos, people can attract clients and build a successful business around video editing. So, whether it's for their own business or as a service for others, video editing skills can be a valuable asset for making money in 2024. If you learn one of these skills and put your time and effort into it, will help you in your life. And you can even earn six figures from these skills. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned.